How's it going, guys? Chaotic50 back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you the proper way to wash your car. There are many different ways to wash a car, but possibly the most overlooked method is arguably the best method. A touchless car wash is great practice when cleaning your vehicle. It eliminates the need for microfiber cloths that, when attracting grime and road debris, act as an abrasive, causing scratches and swirl marks to appear over time. This way, you prolong the lifespan of your paint job for as long as possible. Remember, paint jobs are not cheap, so why not take the extra time to keep your pride and joy in showroom condition? The first and most vital step in this operation is the PreSoak. Be sure to cover every square inch of the car with this, because this is what agitates the debris, allowing the following steps to remove the remaining imperfections. The same rule applies when washing any vehicles during any steps as well. Always wash from top to bottom to prevent any more unwanted debris from coming into contact with already clean surfaces. After pre-soaking the car, turn the setting to high pressure soap to displace the lifted debris, all while still cleaning the paint. Be sure to take your time and be thorough to prevent missing any areas as well. Once soaped up, it is optional to do a wax coat, clear coat, or spotless rinse, but these steps are not necessary, as the first two are. Once you have finished with the soap, change the setting to high pressure rinse to remove all abrasives and detergents from your vehicle. Now that the car has been rinsed off, it is ready to be dried. I use the absorber that I got from O'Reilly's for about $13, but any sheepskin material will work fantastic to dry cars. Now that the car is looking perfect, we need to give these filthy wheels some much needed attention. Since they are silver, the imperfections are easily hidden, so it's unnecessary to use any cleaning agent. But if you prefer to be precise, many different companies make great wheel and tire cleaning supplies. I use 2 rags to clean these wheels. The first one is to remove most of the remaining water and grime, and the second one is to polish the face and rim and to make sure there's no leftover markings. Then a third rag is used to apply tire shine. After just days of driving, the road grime makes these tires look ages old, which just won't work with a car this nice. So I'm using some cheap O'Reilly's tire shine that works perfectly to bring back the black shine to my aging tires. The very last step to completely clean the car is to take a microfiber to the forgotten crevices, those being the door sills and side skirts, around the trunk and taillight housing, and especially the rear diffuser. I like the people I raise to know I keep her clean. Alright guys, that touchless car wash actually did wonders for this paint job. I believe that the pre-soak option actually aggravates most of the stuff on the surface of the paint, which helps it all come off with the secondary sprays. Just look at this. It's a little bit dusty just because of me driving a little bit, but look at that. That is a beautiful paint job without even barely touching it. The only time I touched this car while washing it was to dry it, and it came out gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. The touchless car wash is the way to go if you really care about your paint. It works perfectly, it comes out looking great. You really just can't go wrong. Look how beautiful this car looks now, thanks to a little bit over $10 and a good amount of my time. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.